What is good, everybody? So today we're back and I'm taking the rotary pickup truck over to Jordan's shop. I picked up some Recaro seats off a good friend of his, and so me and my boy Chris are going to take a ride over there. Chris has been helping me out with all my YouTube videos. Right now he's just chilling on my daughter's swing. Yo Chris, we out? Are you ready? I'm ready. So as a lot of you guys actually know, it's a work in progress. This car has been for 4 or 5 years now, and finally, because the motor's done and paint will deal with during winter time when off season comes, I can finally start working on the interior. So I'm happy to get these seats out. I don't know what brand seats they are. I think there's some like China made stuff or like off brand, but they're comfortable. They're just wide. They don't clear the door really good. I don't know if you guys can see here. You can't really reach back or the seat belt at all. So hopefully get the roll cage in and find a harness to throw in the car. So yeah, out to go get these Recaro seats. So I got the GoPro set up right now, and hopefully it's a good enough angle. Not a lot of you guys know I just recently adjusted the carbs, and dang shoots some stellar flames. So yo, you ready for flames?
Flames?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
We're starving right now, so we're over here at El Punto, spot over here in Allentown, where I grew up. Beautiful place, Allentown, if you've never been. But gonna grab some sandwiches, take them back to Jordan and Vic, and then go and try and get these seats loaded up into the truck and see if we can get them installed today. Oh yeah, so I am jacked for this, guys. I finally just got back here to the shop and picked up the Recaro seats. Give you guys a nice little peek at these before we get them in the FD. All right, everybody, so we made it back here to the garage, and I'm just about to install these seats. I'm gonna do a quick time lapse for you guys, so hopefully you'll enjoy that. Installing these pole position Recaros, and I do like them. There's definitely some adjustment I have to do. The driver's seat has to be pulled forward a bit, and obviously you have to pull the bracket off in order to do that. But all in all, I'm pretty excited. Finally start doing some interior work in here. The only other things I have to do is get a few trim pieces. Here's the next piece I actually need to get for the car, the interior. Since we finally put this Haltech dash in, the cluster, the gauges that we had here, actually we don't need anymore, obviously, and so trying to find one now that doesn't have any holes and that's not damaged. But all in all, the interior is coming together so far. I've done the Haltech Elite dash, well, I haven't, Jordan and Vic did. The steering wheel, and now these Recaro seats. Next will be the roll cage, so look out for that in the next video. Hey guys, I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you guys click that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next video.